I've gone without action for too long against these silent invaders from the east. These used to be adorable little palm trees that line the outside of our fence until Parks and Recs moved our fence and they became our problem. Some were small, could be taken out by the roots, but others have grown to behemoth sizes. Like this one. Its decapitated corpse decaying in the sun. Or these silent, decapitated sentinels warning any future invaders to stay back. What will I do with the arms? So many arms. This ghastly pile of arms will have to be dealt with eventually.